Radar range microwave oven. It cooks most everything in about 1/4 the time, so you use less electricity. And with this radar range browning skillet, you can brown and grill right in your radar range oven. The food got hot, and the oven stays cool, so cleanup is easy. It's a lifesaver for busy people. But remember, if it doesn't say Amana, it's not a radar range.
What's this?
A microwave.
Ah, an Amana radar range, huh? You always have to buy the best, don't you? The queen of Honey Bear Lane. You have to have the caviar when cheese curls will do. Box seats instead of bleachers. Silk instead of flannel.
Fred, it's a line from Amana priced under $300.
Oh.
So I bought 2.
When you know exactly what you want, Amana.
Crunch, our microwave pizza feels very warm. We're hot, deep, beat, pop, pop. With the crunch, you'll love us lots. Give, love it from the oven. Who makes microwave pancakes fluffy and light?
They're from Pillsbury.
Extraordinary. How can it be?
'Cause they're from me.
So fluffy and light. Have another bite. Love it from the oven.